Our country, India, is located in the continent Asia. India is the seventh largest country in the world in area and the second largest country in the matter of population. The northern boundary of India is protected by very high mountain ranges. These are called Himalayas. And southern part of India is a peninsula. Peninsula is the landmass which is surrounded by water from three sides. Here you can see in the map, in the west there is Arabian Sea, in the east there is Bay of Bengal, and in the south there is Indian Ocean. So that is how this southern part of India is called peninsula. And southernmost point of India's mainland, that is Kanyakumari. Here you can see in the map. It is located in the state Tamil Nadu. And if we talk about southernmost point of India, overall of our country's southernmost point, this is called Indira Point, and it is located on Andaman and Nicobar island groups. So this is southernmost point of India. You can see here in the map, and it was submerged underwater in 2004 tsunami. India. Now let's talk about India's neighbors. So these are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, there is Bhutan, Myanmar, and our southern neighbors are Sri Lanka and Maldives. Now let's talk about political divisions of India. India became an independent country on 15th of August 1947. There are 28 states and 8 union territories are there in our country. Let's know more about India. In India, largest state is Rajasthan according to area, and smallest state is Goa. The 7 states in northeastern part of our country are called 7 sisters. So these are Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. Latest state is Telangana, and latest union territories are Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Now let's talk about physical divisions of India. So in the north there is Himalaya mountain. So this is a physical division of India which is called Himalaya mountain. Second, in the south of Himalaya mountain there is northern plains. So this is the area of northern plains, very fertile and good for agriculture and densely populated. Third physical feature of India is this desert which is called Thar Desert in the region of Rajasthan. Then as we go in the south, so this triangular landmass is called peninsula, and here is Deccan Plateau. This is Deccan Plateau. You can see this is Deccan Plateau, and there are Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. 2 Ghats are there, and after that there are coastal plains, Western coastal plains and Eastern coastal plains. India has some island groups also. These island groups are Lakshadweep in Arabian Sea, and island groups Andaman and Nicobar are there in Bay of Bengal. So this is all about your chapter number 1, I Love My India. Thanks for watching.